This simple math mistake fools everyone. Yes, what's the mistake? 5 minus 8 as negative 3, 5 minus 8 as negative 3, and negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. People think that the answer is positive 9. Yes, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in its expression there are multiple operations like subtraction, bracket, in bracket there is a subtraction, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket, 5 minus 8 as minus 3. So 5 minus 8 times 3. Now we have subtraction and multiplication, so we have to give priority to multiplication. So 8 times 3 is 24 and minus minus is positive. So 8 plus 24. So 5 plus 24 is 29. So what is the correct answer? 29, not 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.